Welcome to another video on SAT Math. Today's topic is system of linear inequalities in two variables. Let's begin. Given that the system of equations, which of the statements is true about the system? Okay, so I think my calculator can handle most of this. So I'm not even going to try to do this myself. And I say that if I go to simultaneous equations and let's say two unknowns, 2, 3, and 12, 4, 6, and 24. The question says infinitely many solutions. Okay, so what's the logic here is that if one equation is a multiple of another, which in this case it is, then there are infinitely many solutions. So, and I'll tell you how to solve this in the next question. Okay, again, given us all the system of equations below, again, I can do this on my calculator. 3, 4, 6, 6. Okay, infinitely many solutions again. Okay, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. If the digits are interchanged, the sum number is increased by 27. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. If the digits are interchanged, uh, the number is increased by 27. What is the original number? Okay, so I think it's best to do this question with the trial and error because it's difficult to, sort of construct equations and do this. We'll see at some point if we have equations and okay, so if the number is 36 and the new number is then 63, the difference is 27. Let's see if that is true. 27. That sort of works. Let's see if the other numbers work. 54 minus 45 doesn't work. And the smaller number has to be 36. It can't be 63. Why? Because when the numbers are interchanged, the number increases by 27. Solve the linear equations. So again, simultaneous two unknowns. I'm not even wasting time doing them on the exam. I strongly recommend that you use your calculator properly and get done with these questions. Okay, so x has to be -4 and y has to be -1, so that's the correct answer. What is the solution to the system if it has infinitely many solutions? Okay, so if it has infinitely many solutions, one of these is the solution. How will I find that out? My calculator can't do this now, so I'm going to do a bit of trial and error and see if that works. I'm going to put each of these into the question that I have and see if they balance. Okay, that doesn't give me 16. Okay, that gives me 12 and that gives me 24. Okay, that gives me 16. Let's see if it works in the other one as well. Okay, that also works. So A, C is the right answer. Okay, the sum of the two numbers is 10 and the difference is 2. Find the bigger number. So x plus y is 10 and let's say x is the bigger number. So 2x equals to 12, x equals to 6. Then another question here. Let's see this. 3 minus 4 and 7 to 5. So x is 39 over 23 and y is minus 11 over 23. What is the sum of x plus y? It's 39 minus 11 over 23, which is 28 over 23. So that is the right answer then. Okay. Solve the system of linear inequalities. Again, I'm going to do this on my calculator. 2, 3, 7. Okay, and 5 is 4 over 7. That is the correct answer. Okay, another question. Solve the system of inequalities below for the values x and y. There isn't much to explain here. Again, it's just solving on a calculator. 2, 1, and 7. 1 minus 3 and minus 11. 10 over 7 and 29 over 7, if those are the right answers, yes. Okay, the last question in the series, which of the following system of solutions has an infinite solution set? So one thing that I could do is I could look for multiples. Okay, 7 and 13 are not multiples, so that can't be the right answer. 8 and 16 are multiples, but are the numbers multiples as well? Yes, 2x times 2 is 4x, 2x times minus 5 is this. So I can say this, or I could put each of these on the calculator and see which one gives me infinite solutions. I'm not sure why that is incorrect or any of the other ones correct. Is not an infinite solution set. Oh, my bad. I saw is an infinite solution set. So A should have been my right answer. All the others have infinite solution sets. Okay. Uh, I think that should work. Yep, that is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, I think most of these questions will be repeats. So let's just quickly mark our answers. Okay. Okay. Still repeating the same questions. Let's see if I can get all of these right. Okay, so that's the end of the medium level questions. I will see you with another video in the difficult questions. Thank you for watching.